Hey, secondary math teachers, I wanted to give you a quick video and show you how to troubleshoot some of the issues you may have when trying to get your kids into ALEKS to take their initial knowledge check. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your teacher account. And once that teacher account is open, click on the teacher edition for the course that you are trying to use ALEKS with. So I'm going to click on Algebra 1, and I'm going to click on the ALEKS Pi, and then I'm going to click on the ALEKS Book. So the screen that comes up is very important because you have to set your start and end dates for the course. And you have to do this for any campus listed on your teacher account. So I'm going to have to do this for Grand Prairie ISD. My start date will be today, and my end date will be, I'm going to go all the way to July 2nd of 2021 and continue. If you don't do this, your students will not be able to log into ALEKS. You will get an error message that says the instructor has not completed all steps or set up ALEKS. So I'm going to do this again. And I just did Grand Prairie ISD. Now I'm going to do South Grand Prairie High School. And it looks like I've already set the start and end dates for that. So when you click on the campus, if you get that start and end date message, your kids cannot enter ALEKS until that is set. If it goes straight into ALEKS, then you know that you're good. So that is pretty simple. I wanted to give you a video and some pictures to walk your way through that if you are experiencing that issue. All right, guys, thank you very much, and we are looking forward to an amazing year.